Hello, this is Paul again with Dog's Best Friend of Central Florida, and we're going to do a little lesson today on walking a pack of dogs all at the same time. Some of my customers look at me kind of funny when I tell them that I walk, 5, 6 dogs at a time, and they have 2 and they haven't been able to do so. Of course, these are all trained. The next video that's coming out will be of me training a pack of dogs to actually walk properly on a leash. So to start with, you see we have a bunch of leashes, and the first few minutes is a little tricky to get all the leashes adjusted where you want them, and so it takes a few minutes, but I'm going to go ahead and show you from the beginning how we get everybody on the same page. Kind of have all your leashes together. Step on the big dog leash for a minute. Get all these adjusted lengthwise. Kind of pull them through till they're all about the right length. Slack. And wrap them up. Got this big girl. And away we go. Take it out in the street where they have a little more room. You can see everybody stays either equal to me or a little behind me, because I have to be the pack leader in the walk. They have to remain good followers, good girls and boys, good girls and boys.